a good day. I think the time of day was the 9. Let's go. Let's go. My bed.
Please take note of this important message. Do not leave your luggage unattended and take care of personal belongings. To maintain superior security at our airport, any unattended baggage will be removed from the terminal. You are urged to immediately report any suspicious activities to the police or security services. This is just another way that airport companies of Africa ensures a secure air travel experience.
Thank you. Let's kind of see. Ooh, so many of them.
twafatanyije urugendo twaha ikaze mwese muri indege ya Boeing 737 urugendo turasaba ko murara neza aho mwicaye mukabika neza imizigo yanyu mu bubiko bwabugenewe cyangwa munsi y'intebe ziri imbere yanyu. Turabibutsa ko mwitaye muri iyi ndege bitemewe no gukoresha ibikoresho elegitoronike mu gihe tugiye gutangira n'urugendo. Mu izina ry'ubuyobozi wa Rwandair, komanda uyoboye indege natwe twese tubifurije urugendo ruhire, murakoze. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of First Officer Ivan and the rest of the crew, would like to welcome you all on board this Boeing 737-700 series flight number WB 1089 in service to Kigali. The flight to Kigali will be approximately 3 hours and 45 minutes. We shall be cruising at an altitude of 37,000 feet above the mean sea level. If you're comfortably seated, ensure that your hand luggage is safely stored in the compartment above your seat or under the seat in front of you. No luggage shall be placed by the aisle floor level for next to an exit. Ladies and gentlemen, we remind you that Rwandair flights are strict no smoking policy. Portable telephones must be switched off, or you can put them on flight mode once you commence this journey. Shortly, we'll be showing you safety features occur on board this aircraft and how to operate them. Kindly pay attention to the safety videos even if you fly frequently. On behalf of Rwandair, the pilot in command and the rest of the crew, we wish you a safe and enjoyable flight. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome on board Rwandair, safely to and from the heart of Africa. So, before we take off, we would like to take the opportunity to show you some important safety aspects of this flight. The crew are here for your safety and comfort. Your hand baggage must be stowed in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. They must not be left in the aisles, next to the bulkheads or near the exits. This is a non-smoking flight. It is therefore strictly forbidden to smoke anywhere on the aircraft. The use of e-cigarette is also prohibited. Whenever the seatbelt sign is switched on, kindly get back to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and unfastened like this. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight in case we go through unexpected turbulence. In the event of a cabin decompression, oxygen masks will drop in front of you. Pull down on the mask to activate the flow of oxygen. Place it over your nose and mouth and adjust by pulling on the elastic band on both sides. Make sure you have donned your own mask before helping others. Your life jacket is located under your seat or beneath your central armrest. When instructed by the cabin crew, remove the life jacket from the pouch, place it over your head, take hold of the tape, pass it around your waist, clip it in front and tighten. To inflate the jacket, pull on the red toggles sharply downwards. If necessary, the jacket can be inflated or topped up by blowing into the mouthpieces. To attract attention, a whistle and a light are provided.
At this point in time, I was already even tired of sitting. Like, I had a long way to go, but I was already tired. But then, watching on the screen is not something that I am good at, so I prefer to listen to music. But now it was food time, and we've got some cake, we've got some chicken, and I don't know what's that in the plate, so I'm just gonna eat what I know. And yeah, we also got some drinks. Unfortunately, the girl and the guy that was sitting next to me got the same thing that I had as well. So we were smiling at each other like, we got the same thing, you say me, say me, say me. And we had to continue. The sun was setting, and that's why you could see that. At that time, I was wondering, like, are we going out of Earth? Are we now in another planet? Because I was seeing the sun like underneath. I'm like, okay. So it was time to eat, guys. I was patiently waiting. When I opened that, I was like, what is that? Chicken and pasta. It's better if you eat what you know, okay? Because yeah, I was a bit scared of that, but when I tasted it, it was nice. I had to eat the chicken and the pasta and not the bell peppers, I think they are. And I didn't use those things, the salt, the chili, the butter. No, I didn't use them. So yeah, people were still eating. You could see the crew members were busy up and down serving people, checking if they're done. You know, when they start at the front before they get to the back, people at the front are even gonna be done eating. So I had to go check the toilet, guys. I don't know, but you tell me what you think about this toilet, because I was thinking, should I sit here, should I not sit here? But again, I was like, you have no choice. You must also look at rules and regulations. Okay, let's flush together. Ta-da! Here it goes. Okay, so this is actually my first time seeing water flushing in there, because my previous experience, it wasn't water, it's just like air dragging it down, not water actually. But this water was a bit hot, not really hot, it was warm. So I had to just clean I don't know what I was doing, but I was okay, let me just clean my hands, because yeah, I'm from the toilet. And yeah, it was dark already, and then we had to just relax and rest before we land. Okay, yeah, here we go. It's almost landing time, guys, so you must fasten your seatbelts and pay attention, and also put up the trays if they were down, sit properly, and let's focus on landing. So I could see the lights, it was so nice, and yeah, I'm sure that you can see as well. I just wanted to listen to how this is gonna sound. Like, was it gonna crash? Like, it's so scary. Like, okay, let's go, guys. Listen to it, okay? I'm not gonna say nothing so you can hear. Okay, I'm sure that you heard that sound, and yeah, we landed safely. It was like a fast one, then you could feel the brakes, like they were held, like fast one, land, then kind of held the brakes a little bit. Like, okay guys, we are here. Okay, we landed safely, and yeah, we landed. I was just a bit like, okay, this is a nice one. I like to walk like this and not just getting into the aircraft. Literally going down, and there were other ones that were boarding. The dream of Africa. Okay, guys, let us go and see the airport. Let's go. Bye. Hello. Thank you.